हेलो दोस्तों, मैं हूं रविकांत सिन्हा और एलाइट एग्जाम पॉइंट ऑफिशियल में आप सबका बहुत बहुत स्वागत करता हूं। अगर आप इस चैनल पे नए हैं तो जल्दी से इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लें और बेल आइकन पर हिट करना ना भूलें ताकि आने वाली वीडियोस के सारे नोटिफिकेशन आपको तुरंत मिल जाएं। तो चलिए आज का सेशन बहुत स्टार्ट करते हैं और बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग सेशन है आज का। वोकेबलरी, जी हाँ, इंग्लिश इज़ द पार्ट ऑफ आवर लाइफ, आवर इट्स अ लैंग्वेज विच इज़ रिक्वायरमेंट ऑफ एवरी ह्यूमन बीइंग. So we need to learn English with the vocabulary part. If you have a collection of words which is used for speaking or in conversation, it's very essential you should have a good vocabulary. So we'll start with the general vocabulary terms which are mostly used, and you should know this vocabulary in your mind so that whenever it requires you can get it and access it, and you can utilize in your conversation. So that will help you out. So let's begin, friends. Today we are going to learn about what is vocabulary, how to test your vocabulary, how to start building your vocabulary. What is vocabulary? Vocabulary refers to the collection of words which we use for communication effectively. A vocabulary usually develops with the age and serves as a useful and fundamental tool for communication and acquiring knowledge. As you see, many people used to speak their native language very frequently by listening or by watching the others people speaking. They naturally gradually get that accent of speaking, of conversation. If you compare yourself with the American who was their upbringings was there itself, their upbringings make him to learn the language very frequently as like you do. Okay, so that's how the vocabulary develops. With your age it develops, but you need to collect more and more words, learn more and more words in your childhood. From the childhood only you have to start learning. So that your collection should be increased day by day, and you will not feel uncomfortable while in conversation with the people around you. So that has the vocabulary. In general, vocabulary can be described as the oral or reading vocabulary. Means if you are if you are familiar with the word, if you are identify that word, then you can easily use that word in your communication. Okay, oral vocabulary, the two parts of vocabulary is there, oral vocabulary and reading vocabulary. Means while you are reading you should have that vocabulary, and oral vocabulary means while you are speaking, the vocabulary which you use while you are speaking, that is oral vocabulary, and the vocabulary which you are used for reading the content is the your reading vocabulary. Okay, so these two vocabularies are very important. Now let's proceed. How to test your vocabulary? It's very common question comes to your mind. Okay, how you will test our vocabulary, your vocabulary? So you have to judge yourself. How you will judge yourself? It's very important to know how much you know, how much vocabulary you know in your mind. Most of the time we think that if you are not able to speak, even if we are knowing the vocabulary, then we feel ashamed, we feel guilty, or we feel sorry for that. But we should not do that. We should test our vocabulary, because vocabulary helps you to speak. It will make your conversation more effective, more inclined towards the target, towards that particular point. Okay, so you have to test your vocabulary. You need to first, children learn more fast than an adult, so you have to make your children to learn more and more vocabulary, so that they can imbibe more and more words in their mind, so that they can it will be helpful for them to speak, to read, to write. So it's something which will help in his whole career. So that is the magic of vocabulary. Okay, you have to start with the children's, because their absorbing power is much more than any adult. Okay, so for vocabulary also the child imbibe new words more rapidly than any other adult, because their absorbing capacity, the imbibing capacity is more than any other adults. Next is background of the family. Background of family is very important. If you want to test your vocabulary, you must test your background. If you are brought up in a very middle class family and very no facilities of studies or something like that, you have very very inferior backgrounds of learning. So you have to come out with the flying colors, with much more attention with the different mediums which you utilize, because nowadays mobile is something which is your which is very beneficial for you, and which is like a next teacher for you, because it teaches you in somewhere, somehow, in a different way. Okay, so your family background now it's no more any matter. Okay, so you have to judge your family background, how much you get time to learn, how much you are learning from the last how many years, how much vocabulary you have developed. You have to analyze it. responsive to any situation. If you are truly responsive to any situation, if somebody asks you in question in English and if you immediately answer them in English, then you feel very proud and you feel very gratitude towards the person who have been asked to you this question. So this is how the conversation develops. Gradually it develops. Okay. Next is attempt test series set for the vocabulary testing. You can also opt for the test series which are available in all the platforms, in the websites, in different websites, in the different English magazines or English newspaper or in English books. You go through it and attempt the test series so that it will help you out to judge yourself how much words you know, how much words you can make from the one words, because vocabulary is not to find the new words or find the difficult word. It's not a vocabulary. Vocabulary means the word which you are familiar with. Whenever that word and or related that word comes in your in front of you, if you come across any such words, then you can able to identify that words in a very smoothly. Okay. Apply that words you remember in your conversation. Whatever words you remember, you should utilize in your conversation so that it will be remain in your mind for the longest period of the time. Okay. Now next. Now learn the basic level of the vocabulary. In basic level of the vocabulary, we start with the animals. We know many animals, but hardly we know much more animal names in English. So today we are going to start with crocodile. Crocodile को हम हिंदी में बोलते हैं मगरमच्छ. Ape जिसको हम हिंदी में बोलते हैं लंगूर. Mongoose नेवला. Hound शिकारी कुत्ता. Horse घोड़ा. Dog कुत्ता. Ox बैल. Sheep भेड़. Jackal सियार. Elephant हाथी. Camel ऊँट. याक को याकी बोलते हैं. Lion शेर. Panther चीता. Hind is हिरणी. Antelope is बारहसिंगा. Antelope is बारहसिंगा. Okay. Buffalo भैंस. Hog सुअर. Rhinoceros गैंडा. Monkey बंदर. Mare घोड़ी. Bitch कुतिया. Bull सोंड. Cow गाय. Wolf भेड़िया. Fox लोमड़ी. Ass गधा. Goat बकरा. Bear भालू. Tiger बाघ. Leopard चीता. Rabbit खरगोश. So we need to take care of the pronunciation also, because the pronunciation is very important while writing also any words, and it will be remain in your mind. If you will never make any mistake while writing or while speaking. So start your pronunciation with a proper words and utilize in your conversation. Okay. So next. Deer it's hiran. Bug is खटमल. Black bee को बोलते हैं भौरा. Lizard गिरगिट. Bat चमगादड़. Snail घोंघा. Spider मकड़ा. Mole छुछुंदर. Mosquito मच्छर. Tortoise कछुआ. Bee मक्खी. White ant दीमक. Cracker झिंगूर. Hizong साहिल. Scorpion बिच्छू. Gadfly doss. Now we will learn the basic vocabulary based on the kitchen मसाला, है ना. जो किचन मसाला में जो किचन मसाला यूज़ किया जाता है वो कौन कौन से मसाले जो हैं उसे इंग्लिश में क्या बोलते हैं. तो लेट्स बिगिन. नाउ फर्स्ट इज हींग को बोलते हैं एसोफेडिटा. सौंफ को बोलते हैं एनी सीड. फिटकिरी को बोलते हैं एलम. काली मिर्च को बोलते हैं ब्लैक पीपर. लोबान को बोलते हैं बेंजोइन. तेज पत्ता को बोलते हैं हम लोग केसिया. कत्था को बोलते हैं कैटचू. कपूर को बोलते हैं कैम्फर. ओके. लाल मिर्च को बोलते हैं चिली. इलायची को बोलते हैं कार्डमम. सिंदूर को बोलते हैं सिनेबार. लौंग को बोलते हैं क्लोव्स. सोआ को क्या बोलते हैं कॉर्वे सीड. जमाल गोटा का बोलते हैं क्रोटोनट. जीरा को बोलते हैं क्यूमिन सीड. दालचीनी को बोलते हैं सिनेमन. सोंठ को बोलते हैं ड्राई जिंजर. कसूरी मेथी, कसूरी मेथी को बोलते हैं ड्राई फेनुग्रीक, ड्राई फेनुग्रीक। मेथी, मेथी को बोलते हैं फेन्यूग्रीक सीड, फेन्यूग्रीक सीड। जिंजर, जिंजर को बोलते हैं अदरक। आंवला, आंवला को बोलते हैं हॉग लम्स, हॉग लम्स। लाख, लाख को बोलते हैं लैक। कस्तूरी, कस्तूरी को बोलते हैं मस्क, मस्क। सरसों, सरसों को बोलते हैं मस्टर्ड, मस्टर्ड। पोस्ता, पोस्ता को बोलते हैं पॉपी सीड, पॉपी सीड, पॉपी सीड। विहिदाना, विहिदाना को बोलते हैं क्वीन सीड, क्वीन सीड। लाल मिर्च, रेड पीपर, लाल मिर्च और रेड पीपर। सेंधा नमक, सेंधा नमक, रॉक सॉल्ट, रॉक सॉल्ट। नमक, नमक को बोलते हैं सॉल्ट। चंदन, चंदन, सैंडल, चंदन, सैंडल। शोरा, सॉल्ट पीटर, शोरा, सॉल्ट पीटर। नौसादर, सालमोनियम, सालमोनियम। साबूदाना, साबूदाना, सैगो, साबूदाना, सैगो। रीठा, सोपनट, रीठा, सोपनट। गरम मसाला, स्पाइसेस ब्लेड, स्पाइस ब्लेड, स्पाइस ब्लेड। इमली, इमली, टैमरिंड, टैमरिंड। हल्दी, टर्मरिक, टर्मरिक। सिरका, विनेगर, विनेगर। खमीर, यीस्ट, ईस्ट। आंवला हल्दी, ज़ीरियोरी टर्मेरिक, ज़ीरियोरी टर्मेरिक। Now friends, we come to the vocabulary of vegetables. What are the vocabularies collection of words which comes in the vegetable parts? So let's begin. Cholai, cholai bhaji is called amaranthus, amaranthus. Arbi, arum, arbi, arum. Sim, bean, sim, bean. Karela, bitter gourd, karela, bitter gourd. Baigan, brinjal, बैगन, ब्रिंजल। बंद गोभी, कैबेज, बंद गोभी, कैबेज। फूल गोभी, कॉलीफ्लावर, फूल गोभी, कॉलीफ्लावर। करेला, करेला को तो हमने बताया जस्ट, बिटर गॉड। लाल मिर्च, चिली। गलगल, सिट्रॉन। कचालू, क्लोक्सिया। धनिया, कोरिएंडर। लोबिया, काउपी। ककड़ी, ककड़ी, कुकुम्बर। मेथी, फेनुग्रीक। लहसुन, गार्लिक। अदरक, जिंजर। कद्दू, गॉड। एंड साग, ग्रीन्स. Now vocabulary related to the vegetables again. Jackfruit, कटहल, jackfruit, कटहल. भिंडी, लेडीज फिंगर, भिंडी, लेडीज फिंगर. सलाद, सलाद को क्या बोलते हैं? लेट्यूस, लेट्यूस, लेट्यूस. नींबू, लाइम, लाइम, LIME, लाइम. घिया तोरी, लुफा, घिया तोरी, लुफा. पुदीना, पुदीना को बोलते हैं मिंट, पुदीना को बोलते हैं मिंट. कुकुरमुत्ता, मशरूम, कुकुरमुत्ता, मशरूम. प्याज, ओनियन, प्याज, ओनियन. मटर, पी, मटर, पी. आलू, पोटैटो, आलू, पोटैटो. लौकी, पम्पकिन, लौकी, पम्पकिन. मूली, रेडिश, मूली, रेडिश. पालक, स्पाइनेक, पालक, स्पाइनेक. टमाटर, टमाटो, टमाटर, टमाटो. शालजम, turnip, शालजम, turnip. Now learn the basic vocabulary related to the plants. Let's proceed. बबूल, बबूल को क्या बोलते हैं? एक्शिया, एकेशिया, एकेशिया. सेब के पेड़, एप्पल ट्री. सीरस, एबिजिया लेबेक. बांस, बम्बू. बरगद, बेनियान. सुपारी का पेड़, बीटल नट. भोजपत्र, बीच. सागवान, टीक. थूहर, कैक्टस. बैथ, कैन. देवदार, सीडार. सरू, साइप्रस. नारियल का पेड़, कोको. लताबेल, क्रीपर. झाऊ, कॉनिफर. खजूर का पेड़, डेट पाम, आबलूनुस एबोनी, आबलूनुस एबोनी, रुद्राक्ष एलियोकापर्स, रुद्राक्ष एलियोकापर्स, अंजीर, फिग, देवदार, फर, सन, फ्लैक्स, घास, ग्रास, अमरूद, गावा, अंगूर की बेल, ग्रेप वाइन, नील, इंडिगो, कटहल का पेड़, जैक ट्री, पटसन, जूट, महोगनी, महोगनी, आम का पेड़, मैंगो ट्री, बलूत, ओके, पीपल, पीपल, ताड़ का पेड़, पाम ट्री, धान का पौधा, पैडी, चीड़ का पेड़, पाइन, अशोक, पोलोस्थीलिया, पोलोस्थीलिया, एंड चंदन, सैंडल. Now this is the basic level of vocabulary related to the kitchen equipments. As you can see in the picture also, there is a microwave oven, then there is a toaster for baking the toast, and it's a dishwasher where you can wash your dish equipments. Then this is utensils used for the frying and all kind of making the different recipes. Then this is a cupboard for storing the items. This is a tray, this is the cooker, this is a ladle, this is a serving dish, this is jug, this is teapot, this is sugar ball. Okay, teaspoon is there, cup is there, breakfast is there, tureen is there, napkin is there, tablecloth. This is a completely everything you have to identify and you have to write in your copy. Okay, so that you how much you know you will able to learn, because from the picture only you can find out the different vocab words in that, and that will help you out to edit your vocabulary. Now this next picture which is showing the kitchen equipments. This is the first is vase, then this next is mixer, coffee maker, blender, washing machine, grater, table, crock screw, tin opener. Okay, then there is a sink, there is a fridge, fork is that spoon, one kind of spoon, glass, soup dish, plates, knife, spoon, bowl. Now the basic vocabulary related to the colors. आसमानी, azure, काला, black, नीला, blue, भूरा, brown, मटमैला, beige, चमकीला, bright, गहरा लाल, crimson, कथाई, carrot color, राका, सारंग, dusky, सुनहरा, golden, सलेटी, grey, हरा, green, नीला, indigo, हल्का पीला, lemon, गहरा सूखा, maroon, चमकीला गुलाबी, माव, नारंगी, ऑरेंज, हल्का पीला, येलो, पेल, और हल्का गुलाबी, पिंक. ओके, लाल, रेड, गुलाबी, रोजी, केसरिया, सैफरॉन, जामुनी, वायलेट, सिंदूरी, वर्मिलियन, वाइट, पीला, येलो. Now let's come to the musical instrument part. What are the words which are related to the musical instrument part? शहनाई, बिगुल, मशक बाजा, bagpipe, बांसुरी, क्लैरियन, शंख, कॉन्च, डुगडुगी, ड्रमनेट, गिटार, घंटा, गोंग, हारमोनियम, सितार, वायलिन, सिटी, विसल, ढोलक, टॉम, बेंजो, घंटी, बेल, झांझ, सिंबल, नगाड़ा, ड्रम, बांसुरी, फ्लूट, बीना, गार्ड फ्लूट, वीणा, हार्प, सिंग, हॉर्न, पियानो, बीन बाजा, माउथ ऑर्गन, सरोद, छोटा ढोल, टैब, तुरही, trombone. So you can learn the different vocabulary through the blood relations. Auntie, you can call to your chacha, chachi, whatever you can call it, auntie or uncle. Baby, small newly born. Bride, newly married couple. Brother, siblings. Daughter, father, granddaughter, grandfather, grandmother, grandson. groom, mother, nephew, niece, siblings, sister, son, twins, uncle. So this picture shows the blood relations very amazingly. Now you can learn the different vocabulary level with the blood relations. Man of the family, grandfather, grandpa, grandfather, pa, father, daddy, husband, uncle, father-in-law, brother, nephew, boy, baby boy, twin boys, cousin. You never say cousin, cousin brother or cousin sister is wrong. Cousin itself explains everything that they are brother or sister. Brother-in-law, boyfriend, man. Woman related to vocabulary is grandmother, mother, mom, mommy, cousin, niece, daughter, aunt, girl twins, girls, sisters, girlfriends, wife, teen, woman, and woman. So friends, that's all in this session. We hope you enjoyed this session. It's quite be learning for you, and it will help for you for develop your vocabulary. Start learning the vocabulary from the now onwards, and we'll meet with the next session with the more vocabularies. तब तक के लिए अपना ध्यान रखिए, देखते रहिए एलाइट एग्जाम पॉइंट ऑफिशियल. मेक इट मोर, मेक इट